Hi guys, today I'll be sharing on how to cook a delicious chicken gravy. So let's get started. It's very easy to prepare. So first I've taken half kg of chicken and we have to marinate the chicken for 20 minutes. So I'll be adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder and ginger garlic paste, one full pack of 70 gram. And I won't add any salt to this chicken gravy because ginger garlic paste contains enough salt for the dish. So we have marinated the chicken and we have kept it aside for 20 minutes now. Meanwhile, let's prepare the masala powder. I have taken 10 red chilies and cardamom, green cardamom too, and cinnamon sticks and cloves. I have taken 2 tablespoons of dhania to prepare the masala powder. So we have to roast all these ingredients for 10 to 15 seconds until you get that nice aroma. As you can see, I have roasted them in a pan, and next I'll be taking these ingredients and I'll be grinding it to a fine powder. As you can see, this is the consistency that I have prepared. So we'll keep it aside. Next I have taken 2 onions and curry leaves, 2 sticks of curry leaves, and the coriander. So I have chopped them. I have finely chopped the onions and the curry leaves and the coriander. So I've kept it aside now. So now with all the ingredients prepared, let's start cooking the dish. I've taken 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Now I have added curry leaves. I'll be adding the onions. So we have to fry these onions till golden brown. This might take 5 to 7 minutes. So as you can see, the onions are turning to golden brown. Next I will be adding the marinated chicken and give it a good stir. Once you mix everything, the marinated chicken and the onions and curry leaves, you can close the lid for 2 to 3 minutes so that the raw ginger garlic paste gets cooked with the chicken. So after 2 to 3 minutes I'll open the lid, and as you can see, this is the consistency. You can give it a good stir, and next I'll be adding the masala powder that I have prepared earlier. Now we have to mix everything. So once you mix everything and you're happy with the mixture, as you can see, I've coated all the chicken pieces evenly with the masala powder. We have to add water, so I've taken 1 large glass of water. I'll be adding 2 glasses of water for half kg chicken. If you are taking 1 kg chicken and you're preparing the gravy, you can add 3 glasses of water. So I'm adding 2 glasses here, and now I'll be mixing everything together. As I mentioned earlier, I'll be not adding any salt to the dish because ginger garlic paste already has the salt which is required. So here I have mixed everything with the water, and I've closed the lid for 30 minutes, and I've not stirred, or I didn't open the lid at all. So for 30 minutes I've closed the lid with full high flame. Now I've opened the lid. As you can see, the consistency of the gravy here. So 30 minutes is more than enough for the chicken to get cooked and the gravy to reduce to this amount. Now I'll be adding the coriander leaves to it, and it's ready to be served. You can give it a good stir, and it is ready to be served hot. So guys, the chicken curry or chicken gravy is ready. I hope you guys liked my video and the recipe. Give it a like and comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.